Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating safety. Pick red unrefined palm oil for more carotenoids versus refined for milder scent. Now, measure 1/4 cup into a clean bowl and stir gently. Apply a pea-sized drop behind your ear and set a 24-hour timer to observe irritation. If any redness, itching, or swelling appears, stop. Once the patch test is clear, cleanse the treatment area with a mild cleanser and pat dry. You're ready to apply the first thin layer. Next, warm 0. 5 to 1 teaspoon between your palms until it softens. Warmth improves spreadability and absorption. Apply using gentle upward strokes and massage for 1 to 2 minutes to increase circulation and aid penetration. Move toward lymph flow for comfort. Once massaged, leave the oil to absorb for 10 to 15 minutes. If texture feels heavy, mix with equal parts aloe vera gel for a lighter emulsion. Repeat this routine 3 times weekly. To finish, blot or gently rinse any excess oil after 20 to 30 minutes, and follow with a non-comedogenic moisturizer to balance skin. Once done, make sure to apply SPF 30 or higher daily. Oils rich in carotenoids can alter light sensitivity. If you notice prolonged redness, stinging, or breakouts, stop using the product immediately. Apply a cool compress and seek advice from a dermatologist if symptoms persist. One key troubleshooting tip: reduce frequency to once weekly before reintroducing slowly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.